PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop limit apps on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Use app limit setting in screen time to set limits for apps and websites. On my previous video, I've shown you how to limit the apps on your MacBook. App limits, you can view the status of app limits, turn app limits on or off, and view the list of current limits. And if you turn off app limits, any limit you set up are safe, but they are applied until you turn app limits back on. So how to turn off the app limit to stop the MacBook limit the app that you choose? You can open the system preferences on your MacBook, go to screen time. From here, you can go to app limits, click on app limits. So here's the apps that I limit on my MacBook. To stop it, to turn this off, you can just tap on turn off in here. So now you have turn off the app limits on your MacBook. And anytime if you want to limit the app again, you can just click on turn on in here and you can add more app that you want to limit on your MacBook. So simple, right? You can also turn off the screen time on your MacBook in here. So simple, right? So that is how to turn off, how to stop limit app on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.